Welcome to Department of Electrical Engineering, RGEKT Basar, Electrical Circuit Analysis Lab, EE1801. Let us do an experiment number 9, that is mesh analysis using digital simulation. So we are going to perform this experiment in Electrical Circuit Analysis Lab. Let us do experiment number 9, that is mesh analysis using digital simulation. The aim of the experiment is to verify mesh analysis using digital simulation. To do this experiment, we need some apparatus like MATLAB software and a desktop computer. This is your simulation diagram, which includes some resistors and ammeters, which are used to record your current flowing in the loop. Here we have used 6 resistors, 1000 ohms, 47 ohms, 220 ohms, 150 ohms, 470 ohms and 100 ohms. And 3 ammeters are connected in the circuit to record loop currents. I1 is an ammeter which is used to record loop current, first loop current, and I2 is an ammeter used to record your second loop current, and I3 is used to record your third loop current. And here we have a display which are used to display the record value which is recorded by ammeter. Here it is recorded as 0.08882 and it is 0.038, 0.01919 when 15 volts is applied. This value is nothing but loop current I1 and loop current I2, loop current I3. To do this experiment, we need some procedure. The first step in the procedure is make the connections as shown in the circuit diagram by using MATLAB Simulink. Second step is measure current in each resistor. The third one is verify the mesh analysis. This is your observation table which includes applied voltage and loop currents I1, I2 and I3 with theoretical and practical values. In the verification of mesh analysis, we use Kirchhoff voltage law. So after doing the experiment practically, let us fill these theoretical and practical values. Okay, let us continue with the practical lab experiment. This is MATLAB software page. It includes some current flow folder, command window and workspace. By using this MATLAB, we are going to do simulation of your mesh analysis. The simulation of your mesh analysis is done by using this MATLAB. After opening your MATLAB software, it looks like this. So to start your project, press here simulation library. After pointing to this simulation library, the new window will be opened, which includes all the resources which are utilized in our simulation diagram. So in our simulation diagram, we have a voltage source and resistors, ammeter and display. So with the help of this, we need to draw a simulation diagram. So let us continue with the drawing of your simulation diagram. Here type, we need DC voltage source. Just type here DC voltage source. So here you got a DC voltage source. So before that, just open your project space. This is your project space. Here you draw your simulation diagram and save your project space with mesh. Save. Here we have a voltage sources. Just right click and click on add to mesh. Automatically the DC voltage source is added to your workspace. Here it is added DC voltage source. Similarly, we need some resistors. Just type here resistor, then you will get your resistor resource. Then right click on it and add it to your mesh. Here I got one resistor and one voltage source. I need 5 more resistors. So no need to go to the again library. Just copy it and paste here. How many resistor you want? 6 resistors. So okay, here we have 6 resistors. So here I got 6 resistors. To set the value for each resistor, just click on it. Here you will get your resistance value. The first resistor value is 1000 ohms. Apply. Okay. Next one is 47 ohms. 47 ohms. Apply. Okay. So similarly do for other resistors. Here we have 1000 ohms, 220 ohms, 460 ohms, 47, 150 and 100 ohm. Total 6 resistors we have placed on this project space. We need some ammeters also. Just go to SimPower Systems. Here you will find your measurements. In the measurements we have a current measurement. Just right click on it and add to mesh. Automatically that will be added to your workspace. And similarly type here display. Here you will get your some displays. Right click on add to mesh. Automatically those resources are added to your workspace. Now make the connections. Here we are connecting all the elements, resistors, ammeters, all resistors are connected. Next let us connect here. Let's connect here. This is your simulation diagram connections. We have connected all 6 resistors and 3 ammeters and 3 displays. Now let us apply voltage. Just click here, apply 15 volts. 15 volts is applied. Apply, click on OK. Bring Power GUI into your workspace. Here I have placed Power GUI. So here I have applied 20 volts. So 20 volts is applied to the circuit. So this is your simulation. Just run here. Here you will get your, for 20 volts, here you got 0.01921, that is I1. For I2 0.00234, for I3 0.0004875. So you can apply 30 volts. For various values, just observe the loop currents. Go to simulation and run. Here you got 0.02881, 0.00351, 0.0007313, and apply one more 40 volts. You can repeat for n number of values. Go to simulation and run your model. So here you got 0.03841, 0.00468, 0.0009751. Record these values and note down in the observation table. Here we have recorded the practical values after doing the mesh analysis in the simulation software. Practically we got I1 equal to 0.01921, I2 is 0.00234 and I3 is 0.0004875. So So these are all the values we got by doing the simulation. So you can repeat it for other voltages also and find theoretical values of loop current I1, I2, I3 and complete this box. So the result is mesh analysis using the digital simulation is verified. Okay, thank you.